welcome back to my channel, Khalid Akal. Today we're back in League of Legends Wild Rift again, and today I have such a banger for you guys. It is with Akali. Obviously, you know, that's my main. If you watch my League of Legends videos, yeah, she's so flexible and yeah. So let me show you my build. It's just a standard build. I go for Gunblade first, and then I go for an Infinity Orb for that juicy damage. And yeah, a second thing I want to say is sorry that I didn't upload for like almost 1 month, but I had some work and we're getting close to summer. So yeah, so let's get right into the gameplay. So guys, this is obviously a ranked game because I'm starting to work on my rank to get that juicy skin of Jinx. And we are in super high elo. All of them are like, one of them is platinum and one of them is emerald and one of them is gold. You know, I'm still silver 1 because I have teams that I can't even win with them. I can't carry either. So I'm gonna play versus Yasuo, and Lux and Israel are gonna play against Lux and Xayah. And yeah, let's start with the gameplay. It's such a banger, guys. Like the teams are, enemy team is kinda noob. I don't know, but it's really good. Let me take the phone off so we can see everything. Yep. So there's some bangers, a lot. I'm sorry for saying that a lot, but you know me. Okay, we're just gonna hear farming. So let's talk about Akali. If you know know how to play her right, she's gonna be broken, literally. If you first buy her and then your first match, she's gonna be trash or useless, I should say. So yeah, I'm of course almost an Akali one trick because I like her so much, and I played for now 60 games with her, and she's so fun, literally so fun. This champion is like so fun, not like Yasuo. Yasuo is a bit serious one. Yeah. Well, let's see what other in my team are doing. Okay, well, my duo lane is staying under tower. They should, because Lux and Xayah combo is absolutely amazing. And Wukong is still here. He's gonna gank and he just flashed. Yup. He just ganked that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now look what I'm gonna do. I know a silver player shouldn't know this, but I literally watch Wild Rift videos every day. So I know what to do. So if you look here, they put a ward. It was almost here. So yeah. Well, look. I'm coming to him so that I thought his health was too low, and yet he was just gonna go and boom. I got 415 gold. I got the first blood. Yep, I know it. I love this champion. Like at late game, he can one shot, literally one shot. Well, I was just excited. I would not, of course, do that under tower because I'm still level 4. I'm still so squishy. Like as you can see, I have 920 health. Now I have 1018 health. I got both of my core basic items, I should say. And I'm going for Gunblade. Yeah. So I know he's ahead of me in gold or experience. As you can see, we are behind in gold. As you can see up top, we are behind. Just I don't know why. Maybe our team is not really farming. It's just fighting. Maybe that I'm just fighting here. I'm just gonna give you a tip. Always hit minions on Akali. Always. You're gonna get that juicy experience, and you're gonna level up, and you're gonna get gold and one shot everybody late game. Literally. As you will see that I one shot a Lux. I almost one-shot a Kragus. Maybe because he's not tanky enough. Yep, I just wasted my ultimate. He doesn't, the Yasuo doesn't have flash, so look what I'm gonna do. I almost died here. Okay, I just flashed. Well, I think it's worth it because we are now ahead of gold, as you can see. We are 1,000 gold ahead, and I don't know why. Yeah, sometimes the servers lag. I don't know. Let's see what. Oh, he just backing out. Well, yeah, I think Gragas is a counter to Nasus. Obviously, everybody just says that Nasus is absolutely trash and useless. No, he's not. Be ready for a Nasus video coming soon. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, he's A tier. Literally A tier. But at the early game, he's so trash and useless. But like at the mid game and late game, he's super duper good and useful. So the enemy team is doing the dragon. I'm not gonna tell if we gonna if they gonna get it or not, or we won or lost. Well, I'm just gonna tell you it's crazy. And yeah. Okay, well, I didn't know that Renekton is just doing the dragon. So look what is gonna happen here. Well, I'm trying to go here. Now he comes and he stole. Now I'm here. I just got rooted for a second. And then I got rooted again. Okay, well, I just told them to retreat. Because I didn't know that they have full, like, low health. So yeah. Well, he died. It's GG's. The Grak is almost mid lane. So that was pretty scary for me. Because I didn't have vision. Well, I now have vision because I have the word there. And yeah. So the Greg is trying. Look, he got Lux, and look at this. He can just, if he has, oh no, he hasn't. He has flash. Well, I respect that because if he had a flash, he could use his third ability and flash as well. So yeah. Well, it's something casual here. We're just farming. Nothing really good going on, or action, I should say. But we're still doing great so far. Well, I think. Why is it on Greg's? I want it on me, dude. Well, my abilities are almost one shot, maybe. I don't know. Yep, did you just see that? I just literally almost one-shotted it. I have 2 kills and 2 assists, and I did never die. Wow, love this. Yeah, if you're looking for someone to one-trick and have fun with, I recommend you to get Akali. Because she's so fun and overpowered. Can't wait to nerf her. Okay, well, I just took a lot of damage. Did you see that? That was auto-aim. Literally, I swear, that was auto-aim. Okay, well, this Lux just inted. Well, I didn't really one-shot. Yep, we just aced them. Just like that. Just because of the first moment of first blood. Because I want the jungle to know that I can help him, so he doesn't worry. Well, we got the dragon and the Rift Herald. Well, I didn't know why the enemy team didn't surrender, but for now, yeah. But okay. Well, like, hi, yellow people just like surrender at 5-minute mark. Well, if you don't know what's the meaning of elo, elo is your rank in this game. It's called elo. I don't know why, but it's elo. Okay, I'm saying for them, just stay back, and I will come and help you guys. Well, I stayed here because he can just tornado me and kill me to death. So yeah, I stood back for a second. Now I didn't. I almost got tornadoed out of a behind. Oh, let's see what is happening here. He just, Are you really kidding me? Wukong 2 is a really simple champion and fun to play. If you don't want to put effort and work into Akali, just take Wukong. That's a tip from me. Yeah. Well, I was like, okay, I almost died there. Good thing that I had Flash. Okay, let's see what Nasus is doing. Well, Nasus is going through a hard time, really. He's really going through it because Gragas counters hard. Really hard. For Nasus, it's really hard. He just does too much damage. And I've never seen this build before. A tank Nasus build. Wow. Well, there's something a tip I want to tell you about Akali. If in a team fight use portrait lock. It is so helpful. You can just one shot an ADC if you press portrait lock. You don't want every single ability you press to go through a different champion like a tank. Like Alistar, for example. Well, just right here, Greg is just took a lot of damage. And I didn't care about the Yasuo. I just took the Gragas out easily because I saw him he's lost health. Now finally Nasus can be free. Now I did something funny here. I was like sure I would pass through the wall and I didn't. That's embarrassing. Well, I don't know if there's a ward here. I don't know. Well, I don't see it. But how did he know? Now he overextended. Well, I didn't really kill him. He just flashed. Literally because of my third ability. Really. This is how frightening can be Akali. But there's a downside for Akali too. She's a bit squishy. And like without items, she can't really assassinate people. But she can still do work. So yeah, and if she gets behind, she's, I think, useless. I don't know. Same as Yasuo. He got like an armor nerf like a few patches ago, and he's now never played. Not really never played, but like his run rate lowered so fast. Well, I'm just here. I saw an opportunity to get locks, so I just did that. And okay, I just took. Okay, look, I tricked, like, did you see that? I tricked Renekton. Like, he thought that I walked away, and he just flashed for it. I don't know if that's intentional, or he just flashed for Israel. But I just, like, did my second ult, and that it is. Now we're gonna get the dragon. It's a bit too risky, because Lux respawned. No, she didn't respawn. Okay, now she respawned. There we go. How did she know that we're doing dragon? Just look at this. Look.
The enemy team has stolen the dragon.
Are you really kidding me? Well, I suggested that to do that, and we just failed. That's a free dragon for the enemy team. But we're still ahead of gold. And I think the Cloud Drake is much worse, and the worst dragon of all dragons, and they got Infernal. Like, Infernal is the best one, really. Well, I thought that Lux is catched out, so I tried to go and just assassinate her. Well, nope. She just rooted me, and she knows because of that stinky ward right there. Because I walked in the bush, and yeah. Well, I'm just gonna farm. Yeah, I want to say another tip. If you're playing Akali and you get like a lot of kills, don't just stop farming. You should farm because maybe the enemy will just start farming all over the lanes and just be as equal gold as you in experience. So this is a tip from me. And yeah, this is like a tips and tricks about Akali with an epic game. Yeah. Well, I'm level behind of Wukong. It's okay. Okay, I came here and he's absolutely done for. Wait, let me see. Let me see. Renekton's build. Oh, he's going full damage. I thought he's going for a tank. Well, let's see. Oh. Oh my god, he's so behind. Nasa's very behind. But he's still okay in experience. But he's still behind. He's a supportive Baron laner. Did you just see that? Lux's ult didn't do anything for me. Literally. And I like that. Because sometimes when she's ahead, she will literally just take off half of your health in one ult. And the ult's cooldown is very low, like 22 seconds or something like that. Okay, well, I'm telling the Wukong to retreat because look at his health. He's a bit low. I can't speak today. I don't know why. Well, it's okay. Look, did you see what I just did? I thought he's too low, but for a second I said to myself, really, am I really gonna do this or I'm just gonna be dead? So I just did that and I just saw that I have a flash. So that's it, and I have a stasis enchant on my boots. So yeah, well, the Israel is ahead of me in gold. He has 14,000 and I have 12,000. And obviously Wukong is 15,000 because he got... Let me see Wukong. Now he's dead, I know. But let me see. He has 15,000 gold. And he has a lot of items. And he's 1559. Well, I didn't know that. I thought he's like 15-2, something like that. I didn't think he died 5 times, really. Well, I guess it's still a one-shotter. Okay, well, I just lost this because Yasuo and Lux and Xayah are here. Xayah. I don't know why I pronounced that. It's called Xayah. Did you just see that one shot? Literally. That was so really goaded. I just thought Zonia, I just stasis because I thought I didn't have my abilities ready yet. I didn't have my shroud yet ready. So I thought to stasis just because I didn't get like obliterated or bursted down. I'm telling them to just do the dragon, but they're not. They're just want to end. Well, I think they're correct. They should end. Yep, there it is. GG. That was a good game. That was easy, guys. That was really easy. Well, I will show you here. Okay, who has the most in team fights? It's obviously Wukong. Who dealt more damage? It is obviously Wukong again. 30,000 damage. And well, I did 16,000. I'm the third one to take. Who has damage taken? Yeah, he deserved it. It's Yasuo. And who has the most gold? Okay, literally Wukong has everything. Literally. So let me tell you a proof that I play Akali like 50 games just to be good on her. Look. Here, do you see that? 62 matches. Yep, and I have a 53 win rate, which is decent. Well, yeah, as you can see, I have Master Yi here. And he's considered a troll pick, I know. But I still love him, he's so cool. Well, Yasuo is like second. And Jax, I love this guy. He's so underrated but so overpowered. So yeah, hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to get notified when I upload a video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.